All right, let's go ahead and solve this problem here. Okay, so I've got the limit of the square root of 3 f of x plus 8 g of x. I may have added one more set of parentheses than they have in the problem, but that's okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the root law, which allows me to take out the radical to the outside. So this is going to be now, and of course this is x approaching 0. So now I've got radical limit of 3g of x plus 8 g of x. That should be f of x, my bad. And I guess I'm used to putting a lot of parentheses. As x approaches to 0, and we'll put that in brackets. All right, so now I'm going to use the sum law for limits. So just ignore that for a bit, but I can break these two pieces up. So I've got 3 times f of x and inside one limit, and then I've got the limit of 8 times g of x. And both of these as they approach 0. And then I'm going to use a constant multiple law. So no need to work on that yet. So I've got 3 times the limit of f of x as x goes to 0 plus 8 times the limit of g of x as x goes to 0. Again, don't work on that yet, but we know that the limit of f of x as x goes to 0, that's up here, that's 5, so this is 3 times 5. And then over here, I've got the 8, which I'm bringing down. The limit of g of x as x goes to 0, that's up here, that's a 6. We're almost there. 3 times 5 is 15. 8 times 6 is 48. And so I've got the square root of 63. Now you have to remember that 63 is 9 times 7. That's the square root of 9 times the square root of 7. And that's plus or minus 3 root 7. And we're going to go with the positive one. And that's going to be our answer for this problem.